Okay, welcome back, Jabalali. In this tutorial, we're going to begin programming our lie detector now. We need to first make sure we go to the block section, which is just here. So we're in blocks. And the first thing we're going to do is create a variable to store the different possibilities when we run the test. So it could be a lie, it could be truth, it could be a not sure or inconclusive, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going down to variables, which is down to this section here. So I'm going to click on my variables and I'm going to initialize. That's basically create a variable and give it a value. Okay, so there's my variable I've dragged on from the variables. And first I'm going to name it. I'm going to call it result. So there's my variable. I called it result. Now I want to have those three possibilities, so I need to store them in a list. Now the list, like a shopping list, has a number of different items in it. So I'm going on to list and I'm going to drag on my list and attach it to my variable. At the moment it's got 1, 2 and 3. Now I need to delete those because I'm going to add 3 different strings, or what we call text. So I'm going over to text and I'm going to drag on my first and I'm going to call that one truth. So there's my first, truth. I'll put that on my list here. Then add my second text and that's going to be lie. And I'm going to finally add my third text or string, and that is going to be not sure. Okay, so there's my 3 possibilities. They're stored in a list that's individual, then that's stored in my variable called result. Okay, so that's done for this tutorial, and nothing really happens when I run my code, run my app, because all I've done is create my variable. So you won't see anything happen yet when you view your app. As you can see, nothing is happening. But something important has happened, but we don't see it. We've just created our variable and we'll use that to store the results of our lie detector test. So I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial where we start creating the code that will run the lie detector test. Take care and I'll see you in the next tutorial.